I'm home from Ohio. Pure Terrier's behind me, working on Skeletons Lair in Bowling Green, Kentucky. They asked me to do some cutout skulls. So not only am I going to cut them out and airbrush them up, but I want to do a pour on them in UV. So we're going to add in the 3D colors, but then we're going to blend them all together, and then once they're dry, I will airbrush them up like nasty little skulls so they can be placed on the walls here and there, some in corners. Some will place boards behind and allow them to stand off the walls for a 3D effect. We're using Floetrol and the spar urethane to mix into the paints. We'll give them a hard coating and helps with the transitions. I'm not going for cells or anything like that. I may add some more, but nice heavyweight plywood, and just going to make these things look super. And then once we do the detail, the black and then highlights, it's going to look really cool in the 3D for the girls. So hey, enjoy, watch, please subscribe, and hey, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. On another note, I am using Dayglow UV paints and mixing those up with the spar urethane and the Floetrol. And then once I got them done and outside to dry a little bit, I sprinkle a little naphtha on them. Some colors pop around them, makes it look cool. And here, of course, it is in the black light, ready for detail. Boo-wah. Thanks for watching, people.